Google Slides support links. That means we can create interactive contents like quizzes. Let's see an example of how to do that. So over here, you can see that I have a blank presentation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type around quiz time right here. And I'm just going to delete out the subtitle right here. So this is the title, as you can see right here. We're going to worry about the design later on. So I'm going to go around right here and click on new slide. And over here, I'm just going to delete this part out. And over here, I'm going to type in the question. So I'm going to say something like, how many planets does the solar system have? All right, so how many planets does the solar system have? That's the question. So I'm just going to go around and create shapes right here. Let's say, for example, something like rounded rectangle to make it look like a quiz right here. I'm just going to copy and paste this right here. And I'm going to copy and paste this right here. So I got exactly 4 of them right here. So let me just go around, keep them a bit together. So I'm going to say, let's say, for example, 5, and another one would be 8, another one would be 4, and another one would be 10. All right, so these are the options, as you can see right here. Solar system has 8 planets, so this is the right answer. So I'm just going to go around and maybe I want to increase the size of the option over here as well. So now what I want to do is I want to add in another slide. So I'm just going to go for new slide, which says right answer or wrong answer. So I'm just going to go around right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy and paste this round right here. Just copy the quiz time right here. And I'm going to say right answer, right? Or I want to say something like wrong answer. So this is right answer, or it goes for wrong answer right here. So now what you can do is you have this as well, just like this. So you got right answer, you got wrong answer. And then what you can do is you can just navigate to the slide right here. So right answer, wrong answer. So now in case of right answer, I want to give the option over here to move forward. Okay, move to next question, move to next question right here, and move to next question. All right. And I'm just going to go around, center align this as well. So I'm just going to go around and center align this right here. And wrong answer, then try again. So I'm just going to go around right here. Let's say I'm going to go to wrong answer. In this case, I want it to try again right here. So now let us link it out. So this is quiz time. After that, this slide appears. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link all of these 3 to the wrong answer section right here. So I'm just going to go around, right click, and I'm going to link out. So slides and presentation, I'm going to go around onto wrong answer right here. I'm going to go around, do the same for this one, right click, and then link, and then slide in presentation. So I'm just going to go to wrong answer. And then I'm going to go around to this one, and I'm going to go to link, slide in presentation, wrong answer. This one would be right answer. So right click, format, link, slide in presentation, and then this is going to be a right answer right here. And in right answer, what I want this to do is I'm going to link it back to the previous question. It goes to the other, it'll move forward onto the other slide. So let's say I have more quizzes right there. So I'm just going to go around into congratulations right here. So I'm just going to go around and then link this out onto the congratulations slide on the end. So I cannot see this. I'm just going to move it out right here. Slide in presentation, congratulations right here. I'm just going to move this right here. And for wrong answer, I want to link it back to the question again. So I'm just going to go around into how many planets does the solar system have. So now let's see how this actually works around. So I'm just going to go to the first slide and click on present. So you can see that it says quiz time. Once you click on it, it goes on to the next slide. Click on 5, which is the wrong answer. It says wrong answer. Click here on try again, and it goes back. Click on 10, it says wrong answer. Try again. 4, wrong answer. Try again. 8 is the right answer, so I can move on to the next question right here. But something happened right here. So when I move on to the next question, you can see that it actually went a slide forward, which I don't want. So let us just correct this out. So I'm just going to go around onto the wrong answer section right here. I'm going to go to the right answer section right here and then relink it out. So I'm going to go to link right here, slide in presentation. I'm going to go way down. So I'm just going to go around right here, link, slide in presentation. I'm going to go to congratulations and press apply. So once I do that, that will be corrected out. So let me just click on present again right here. Click on 8, it says right answer, move to next question, and it says congratulations, just like that. So you can go ahead and add in more quizzes right there as well. So you can follow the same pattern of the slides just like this. And that is how you can make interactive quiz inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.